Okay, good afternoon, Dila.
Good afternoon, Yayan.
Okay, how is everything going? How university treating you?
It's going well. That's I have to say it's way more challenge than I thought. Balance class, assignment, and work.
Yeah, I feel you. It's such a big change from high school. The workload is intense, and the professors expect too much more from us.
Exactly. I was used to being on top of everything in high school, but now it feels like I'm always being. How are you managing it?
I am trying to stay organized. I asked a planner to keep track of deadlines and study session, but honestly, it is still tough, especially with all the readings. I feel like I never get a break.
Somehow, I tried making a schedule, but sometimes it feels impossible to stick to it. And don't even get me started on the group project. Coordinating with everyone's different schedule is a nightmare.
Oh man, group project out the words. Sometimes I feel like I end up doing most of the work, but I guess it's part of learning how to work with others. At least that's what they tell us.
True, I guess we're supposed to be learning collaboration skills, but it's frustrating when not everyone pulls their weight. Do you have a lot of group work this semester?
I do. Almost every class has at least one major group project. It is kind of overwhelming, but I am trying to focus on the positive. I have met some really cool people through this project, so that's a plus.
That's a good way to look at it. I've met a few new friends too. I guess that's one of the best. This is about university, meeting people from different backgrounds. Have you joined any clubs or societies?
Yeah, I joined the Dev Club and the Environmental Society. They are both really interesting, and it's a nice break from studying. What about you? Are you involved in anything outside of class?
I joined the photography club. It's been really fun. It gives me a creative outlet, which I think is important. Sometimes I feel like I'm drowning in academic stuff. So it's nice to have something I enjoy.
That's awesome. Having a hobby makes such a big difference. It's easy to get caught up in all the stress, but doing something you love helps you recharge. How are you, class, job? Any favorites?
I'm really enjoying my class. The professor is amazing, and the material is so interesting. What about you? Any class you're really into?
I love my history class. We are studying ancient civilization, and it's a fascinating. I have always loved history, so I am thinking about double majoring in it. But then again, I am not sure how I will handle all the extra work.
That sounds really interesting. I've thought about double majoring too, but I'm worried about the workload. I already feel like I barely have time for myself as it is.
Yeah, same. It is tough to balance everything, but I guess it's all part of the experience, right? We are learning how to manage time and juggle responsibilities.
Definitely, I keep reminding myself that it's okay not to have everything figured out. We're still learning after all, and it's not just about academics. It's about growing as a person too.
Actually, I feel like university. It's helping me figure who I am and what I want out of life. It's a lot of pressure sometimes, but I think we'll come out of this stronger.
For sure, it's all about growth, even if it's uncomfortable sometimes. But hey, we've got this. Just got a take is one day at a time.
Agreed. Let's just keep pushing through and make the most of it. And if it gets too overwhelming, we can always scrape office and fans about it.
Uh, okay, deal. We'll survive this together.
Okay. Oh yeah, Dila. Have you talked about what you're going to do after graduation?
Oh, okay. As for after graduation, hastily, I'm still figuring it out. I have a few ideas, but nothing set in stone. What about you?
I get that it's hard to know actually what's next. I have been thinking about going into marketing. I did a few internships and I like to do work, but the job market is so competitive. Sometimes it's overwhelming to think about finding a job right after we graduate.
Oh, okay. Marketing sounds interesting. I've heard it's a field with a lot of growth. You've already got those internships under your belt, so that's a good start. I've been thinking about doing something related to environmental change. Maybe working for a non-profit or in sustainability consultant. But I'm also considering going for a master's degree. What do you think? So I will first or continue studying?
That's tough decision. It depends on your goals. If you feel like a master will give you a better edge in the job market or help you specialize in something you are passionate about, it might be worth it. But gaining real world experience can be just as valuable, especially if you are unsure about the exact path you want to take.
That's actually my dilemma. On one hand, I did love to dive into the workforce and start making an impact. But on the other hand, I think more education could help me stand out. I am not sure if I'm ready to commit to another 2 years of school right away. Thoughts. What if I get burned out?
That's a valid concern. Maybe you could work over years or two and then decide if you want to go back to school. A lot of people do that. And It gives you a chance to see work you actually enjoy in the industry. Plus, some companies after tuition reimbursement if you want to study later. So that could be a win-win.
That's a good point. Getting some experience and then figuring out if I want to a specialist further sounds like a smart move. I guess I just worry about falling behind. You know, like what if all my peers are moving ahead in their careers and I'm stuck trying to figure things out.
I totally get that it's easy to compare ourselves to others, but honestly, everyone path is different. Some people take gap years, some go straight into jobs, and others go back to school. What's most important is finding what works for you. There are not set timeline for success.
Yeah, salah. Yeah, I keep reminding myself of that. It's just how when there's so much pressure from society to have everything figured out. Even my family keep asking what my plan is, but like you said, everyone's journey is different.
Oh man, I know the feeling. My parents keep asking about my career plans too. They are sportive, but sometimes it feels like they expect me to have everything sorted out already. I think a lot of us feel like we are supposed to have all the answers, but in really life does not work that way.
Exactly. It's reassuring to hear that I'm not the only one feeling this way. So, is it from marketing? Have you thought about any other possibilities? Or are you sit on the file?
Well, I am learning toward marketing because that's what my degree is in, and I enjoyed my internship. But I have also talked about working in that. It sounds like state companies always have a demand for marketing professional, and the industry is constantly growing. I am just not sure if I would like the corporate culture. What about you? How have you considered an alternative in environmental since that's not pan out?
That sounds like a solid choice. Is definitely a booming field. As for me, if everyone else can dance for all, I've thought about going into teaching. I could see myself as a high school science teacher. I feel always enjoy explaining concepts to others. Education feels like a stable career option, but it's so different from working in the field, so I'm not 100% sure.
Teaching could be really rewarding and you will be shaping humans with its amazing. I think it's good to have backup plans, especially in today's job market. I have heard too many stories about people who studied one thing but ended up doing something completely different.
Yeah, you're right. Flexibility is key. A ghost part of me feels nervous because in school everything is structural. We had these clear paths. First high school, then university. But now after graduation is like, what's next? there's no clear roadmap anymore.
That's actually it's we have always had this roadmap, and now the world is wide open. It's exciting but also scary. I guess the challenge is embracing that and scarcely and see where take us. Who knows? Maybe we'll end up doing something completely unexpected.
I like the way you put that, embracing uncertainty. Said I need to adopt more. I think I'm so focused on trying to control everything that I forget that sometimes the best opportunities come from unique place.
Definitely, some of the most successful people did not follow a traditional path. It's all about being open to new experience and learning along the way. Besides, we are still young. We have got time to figure it all out.
True, I need to remind myself of that. We don't to have it all figured out right now. It's a journey and we're just getting started. Thanks for the pep talk, Ian. I feel a bit more easy about the future now.
Anytime, Dila, we are all in the same boat, trying to figure things out. Just remember, no matter what path you choose, you are going to do great. We have made it this far. Have not we?
You're right. We've made it is far, and there's something to be proud of. Whatever happens next, we'll handle it. Here's to the future wherever it takes us.
Okay, Dila, thank you.
Yes. Okay, thank you, Yayan.
Bye
Good
bye. Nice to meet
afternoon.
you.
Bye-bye. Nice to meet you. See you. Whoosh.